Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. There's a video I made already called the 3-day rule. Some people listen, some people don't, so I'm just going to reinforce this right now. You've got to follow the 3-day rule if you're a swing trader and you like to buy stocks, you like to buy companies on the dip, meaning when they go down a lot. Maybe the stock goes down a lot because of a bad earnings report, or because of bad news or a scandal or whatever, okay? Maybe Apple just didn't sell as many devices as they usually sell, something like that. But you believe it's going to recover. You believe it's a great company. You believe it's going to go back up. I know it's tempting to just jump in there right after the stock price goes down a lot, but I'm going to encourage you to wait 3 trading days at least. I'm not saying you buy immediately after 3 trading days have passed after a big dip in the price. I'm saying you just look at it, okay? And if the price action is starting to go sideways, or better yet, it's starting to curl up, then that's even better. That's a time that I might get in. It depends on the news. It depends on why it went down. There are a lot of things to look at. All right, so let's look at some examples right now of what happens if you don't follow that rule. Okay, this is Twitter. This is Twitter stock right here. And let's take a look at Twitter stock. Let's see what happened if you didn't follow that rule. All right, well, it had a big drop there, right? And maybe you were tempted to get in. Maybe you were tempted to get in on Friday. Well, now it is Monday, and it's down another over 6%. All right. So people who did not follow the wait at least 3 trading days rule and then look at it again, they bought and now they're down quite a bit. What happens a lot of the time, and this, I know this is not a candlestick chart, this is a line chart, but still imagine a very big red candle. Well, what often happens is that after a very big red candle, then the next trading day, oftentimes you'll get another red candle, although it won't be as big. And then the next day, you might get another red candle, but it's even smaller, okay? So the red candles get smaller than the first really big one, but they're still red. It's still going down. It oftentimes tends to drift downwards for at least 3 trading days, all right? So that's Twitter. That's one example. Here's another one. Here's Facebook. Had a big drop. All right, right there on Thursday. Big drop. And then if you hadn't waited at least 3 trading days, now it's Monday and you'd be down an additional 4%, or approximately 4%. So you should have waited. Should have applied the 3-day rule. Here's, let's take a look at PayPal. It's not as drastic looking, but still a pretty sizable drop there all throughout Friday. So that's a pretty sizable drop there. And if you just jumped right in, today's the next trading day, Monday, and you would have lost an additional 3%, or approximately 3%. And this is PayPal. Let's take a look at CBS. This is CBS stock, all right? Big drop on Friday. Big drop. And if you had just jumped right in, guess what? You'd be down today, Monday, over 4%. All right. So I recommend waiting at least 3 trading days. Watch for those red candles to get smaller and smaller every day, hopefully. And better yet, maybe you'll get some sideways action. And even better than that is if it starts to curl upwards, and that gives you an indication that perhaps the market is starting to forgive the company and forgive the stock, and maybe they'll go beat up on some other company and some other stock, and they'll be done beating up on the one that you're looking at, and that might be the time to get in. It depends on why it went down. You got to look at the news, you got to look at the chart, you have to look at a number of things, okay? And these are things that I help people with. My name's David Modell. If you'd like some help with trading, chart reading, investing, putting together a plan for your trading or investing, you can email me anytime. My email address is davidmodell@gmail.com. I also offer an alerts service if you like alerts or signals as to what I'm buying and when I'm buying it and selling it. We can talk about that as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And please leave comments and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell on YouTube so you can receive the latest updates whenever I put out these financial educational videos. It's important. You got to follow that 3-day trading rule. You don't have to, but I do, and it has helped me to avoid disasters, and it can help you too. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you again soon.